Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I just want to show y'all how to do a really quick low bun. So I really like to do this hairstyle when I don't know what to do with my hair or when I'm stretching wash day. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I need to wash my hair. I'm just stretching it one more day. So I just sprayed my hair with a little bit of water and I am sectioning it. And I'm just putting the front away for now, just working on the back. So I'm just going to take a little bit more water and spray that all over my hair. And then I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner from African Pride. And I just start to detangle my hair a little bit. And I'm assuming y'all notice I recently colored my hair. I just missed my burgundy color. Y'all know that I used to have burgundy all up and through my hair. So I decided to put some in, not too much that is overwhelming, but enough to where you can see. So I'm using some extreme gel just to mold my hair down. I really love this gel so much. It doesn't leave my hair feeling hard or sticky or anything like that. So I am just using my brush and making sure that it is nice and sleek and smooth. And then I go ahead and just put it in a ponytail. And when you're putting this first hair tie on, you don't want to make it extremely tight because you're going to be putting two other hair ties on. So you don't want it to be extremely tight, hurting your head. So I'm just taking a comb and I'm putting a part down the middle. So you could do a side part or whatever kind of part you want, but I'm really feeling middle parts lately. So I just go ahead and do that, and then I section off one side and put that away. And I'm basically just repeating the same step that I did on the back of my hair. And I am just adding some edge control to my hair. So after I'm done making sure that this side is nice and flat and smooth, I go ahead and use my bristle brush to go ahead and get my edges how I want them. And once that is done, you take another hair tie and add that piece of hair to the ponytail in the back and just go ahead and make sure that it's nice and secure.
Ryan Little.
And I just go ahead and repeat it on the other side. So y'all, what kind of videos do y'all want to see from me? I feel like since I colored my hair, I definitely have to do my hair more often because lately I've been so lazy with my hair, but I want to start doing my hair more. So what would y'all like to see? Would y'all like to see perm rods or flexi rods or lazy day hairstyles or protective styles, crochet? Just let me know down below what y'all would like to see. So you want to make sure that this is nice and smooth all over your head. Then you just put your hair tie on and that is it. This is how I get my super sleek bun. It's no lumps, no bumps or anything. So you can definitely just wear your hair like this in a low little puff. Like this is so cute. You can definitely wear it like this, but I am actually going to put it in a bun. So I just gather all my hair and just start twisting it. And then I twist it around itself on the base. And then I just take another hair tie to secure that in place. And that is it, y'all. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if this is how you get your super sleek buns. Let me know if you will try this or if you haven't tried it before. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.